So this is a new project. Got a little bit of work that needs to be done, but it's nothing too crazy. Right here goes control arms, axles, stuff. So I'm gonna take care of this. Bit of a struggle getting it off, but getting it done. So this is underneath the car. We finally got it off. Look like control arms took a crap. The shock is bent, and that's really it. And the sway bar links, tires right here got pushed in a little bit. I hope it wouldn't be that bad, but it is pushing a little bit more. But I don't know. I think we can make it work. Well, that's it for right now. But yeah. And I think this part was bad because in the picture this wasn't this bad. But that's just a little quick pull out. So that's the inside of the wagon. Had to order airbag. Fix that. It smells like crap. I don't know if I'm just sitting or what. So I had to go clean everything until I fix. I don't know, but overall it's not bad. Like, the lining is fine. Everything's working. It's just dirty, so a little spring cleaning real quick, and hopefully put some air freshener in here. It doesn't smell like crap next time I come in. So just cleaned up a little quick cleaning, nothing too bad. Just to get rid of the white, I guess, airbag residue, and they had cats in here. So just to clean all that out, but it's not bad. The back seats are perfect. This one needs a little bit of work, but that one's gonna mess up too. But overall, a little bit more cleaning, and I don't know what to do there, but yeah, she's not bad. It was one of those days. It was raining, but finally got the fender in. So now I'm about to install it. It's not going to be a very good video. That's the old one off. Let's see how it looks. Try to look at the damage. It just looks like the damage is just literally right here. Just got to pull this section out, and then the doors will be able to go in, because it's right there. Just loosen it. Just got to pull this area out. That should be it. But I'm going to put the new fender on. So it looks like a vehicle, and keep going. So far nothing else looks damaged besides that section. So maybe I'll get lucky. Still out here raining, but let's do some quick install of it. Still gotta fix the bottom, but for right now, this just gotta play with the fender a little bit. And also crank the door before we go any further, but it looks decent. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. So when I dropped off to the body shop, and they could just, adjust it, fix it, make it look pretty. I just needed to put it on, so at least I could get rid of it and have it looking like a, like an actual vehicle. So now that this is done, I'll try to drop it off to the shop relatively soon. So right now we're driving the car to get the body work done. So this is a little quick, a little review of it. It drives fairly smooth, automatic. So I was like, but it's not too bad. So, I could sell this engine. Somebody will pick it up. Transmission too, because everything drives smooth, shifts smooth, but I think the swap is going to be a little bit more fun. But for a daily, honestly, it's not bad. Pretty nimble. Steering wheel is pretty good. The electric rack is not bad. Love the back. It's nice, spacious-ish. But overall, I like it. Did the body work. It's dirty though. So this is the issue. Let the door open and close. Now I gotta clean it back up again, but it ain't bad. It's not perfect, but better than how it was. So now I can get it inspected at the stick inspection location, and then register it and start doing everything I have to do. Do have to fix this trim though, because it broke. So I have to fix the trim, and then should be good to go. So just investigate in the back. Oh, there's some nugs in there. This is a speaker. Oh, see what's in this? Oh, there's some bootleg Timbs. Oh, this thing definitely gotta get cleaned up. Oh, that's the broken part for the headlight. Gotta change that. And these are the new lip that I have put on. But 1, 2, so I have 4 speakers and those in the back. Should be fun. Okay, this definitely needs some work though. It is dirty. Like I said, I haven't been in this car in a while, so just getting used to everything. That's my daily outside right now. Let me see what the stereo system sounds like. I don't have the code. Great. So I was able to get into the system. I still don't have the code. I have to go find it. Ask the dealership. That's the serial. I'm gonna ask the dealership to give me the information, but for some reason I don't hear nothing. So I'm gonna keep playing with it to figure it out. But car's driving good. Looks like crap. Very, very dirty. So I'm about to clean that up, and hopefully after that, everything else should be good.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.